Good morning people, welcome back to the channel. Today we're trying the workout of Maverick Fieldhouse. It's a kettlebell mobility focused workout. So we're going to be starting on the floor in this position with loaded butterflies. Get ourselves set up like this, and then we're simply going down and up. So each of the exercises we're going to run through are all focused on increasing our range of motion and our mobility. So something that really transfers and carries across to other kettlebell workouts, other kettlebell movement patterns. So yeah, very intrigued to come across some of these moves and really excited and enjoying trying all these different workouts with you. I hope you've got something from them and found them helpful. So there we go. Okay, so we're going from there into what's called a loaded cross hack squat. So we're doing 20 seconds on each side again, and you're going down into this position and then up again. Okay, so 3 down, and then you're pressing up and you're coming up, you're pressing off the hip, and this is a quad and a hip movement and exercise. On the other side now. And then we're going to be going back down onto the floor now for a loaded shin box. So I know a lot of you have done the shin box with me before. Slight variation here is that this one is going to be loaded. So we'll get ourselves set up. We're going for the 90-90 shin box. So from here we're going up and over. Try and let that lead leg go first and then follow with the other. Giving it a slight where you can end up walking forwards on your bum, which isn't really the desired movement. So the more static we can stay, the more we can let that lead leg lead, the better. So there we go, and that we're heading into the final of these exercises, which is going to be a loaded deep squat front raise. So we're going to get ourselves down into that deep squat position, and then when we're down there, we're going to be raising the kettlebell as high as we comfortably can. This is a tricky exercise when you're completing standing and in that deep squat position. If you're struggling with this one, just do your best. Challenge yourself, but don't push yourself too far. A few more seconds to go on this now. And there we go folks, that's today's Maverick Fieldhouse Metcon Marcus Tries workout done. If you've enjoyed it and you want to check out the other workouts in the series, they are available up here. We also have our 12-day kettlebell training program available down here.